All right, we've got problem number 8. Let's go ahead and finish this up. So we got a position graph, we want to get the velocity graph and the acceleration graph for A. So we start off not moving at all, and then we move backwards at a constant rate. And then what this means is that the acceleration is completely 0 because it's never speeding up or slowing down. It just switches from one constant velocity to another, namely from rest to moving backwards at a constant rate, at a steady rate. Now, for this one, we got a position versus time graph. Now, we start off slow, and then we go faster as forwards, and then we continue on at a steady pace. So that means we got to draw it speeding up, and then here we continue in a constant velocity going forward the whole time. To get the acceleration, well, the slope of the velocity graph is positive, so our acceleration is positive for the first part, and then we have a 0 acceleration for the second part. Now here, we start off not moving, and then suddenly we have a really fast speed forward, and then we go backwards, and we end up traveling forward at a steady pace after that. So the acceleration graph should look like nothing here, and then we have a negative acceleration since the slope here is negative, and then we level off to 0 again because it doesn't level off, it just suddenly goes to 0 because then we suddenly continue at a constant rate. So to describe the motion of the objects in all of these cases, let's just do a quick little written description of each one. So in the first case, just kind of taking this idea, we have here should look like this. Basically, we have the object is at rest, then goes backwards at a constant velocity. For the second one, we will have the object speeds up going forwards and then continues forward at constant velocity. And then for this last one, a little bit more intricate or interesting, the object is initially at rest, it then suddenly goes quickly backwards and slows down. No, is it backwards? Let's double check. No, quickly forwards and then slows down to a steady pace going forward. So that's pretty much it for all the solutions to the exam. I'm going to post these online now, so you should have all 8 of the problems solved ready for you to go.